South Africa. So they need to give us some South African vibe. We have Coco P, and I have to perform my song against Portable. Oh yeah, we got Uncle Isaac Fire my chief. Yo, get me Uncle Isaac ASAP. Get me Uncle Isaac ASAP. Yo. I beg. Hey. Yo, get me Uncle Isaac ASAP. I'll tell you a story about Uncle Isaac also before it comes up. You see, a lot of people now close to me, they get stolen. When I started, Uncle Isaac came to me and then he said, I need you to do business so that you can help more people. If you don't have money, you can't help. One day, you know what?